The rise of the machine's AI's expanding footprint. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already making its mark, but its full potential remains untapped. In the coming years, AI promises to revolutionize industries and reshape our lives. This technological revolution is unfolding at an unprecedented pace. One of the most profound questions we face is this: how will AI impact the future of work? Will robots replace human beings in countless professions? Some experts predict widespread job displacement. Others envision a future where AI augments human capabilities, creating new opportunities. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. Understanding the nuances of this complex issue requires careful consideration. We must examine the potential benefits and limitations of AI. The future is not predetermined, but shaped by the choices we make today. Let us embark on a journey to explore the evolving relationship between humans and AI. A visionary's forecast: Bill Gates on AI's transformative power. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and a renowned philanthropist, is a prominent voice in the global conversation about AI. Gates is known for his insights into the transformative power of technology. He has consistently emphasized the potential of AI to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Gates argues that AI has the capacity to democratize access to expertise. In healthcare, for example, Gates envisions a future where AI-powered diagnostic tools can assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses, particularly in underserved communities. He believes that AI can play a crucial role in developing personalized treatment plans and accelerating medical research. In education, Gates sees AI as a tool for creating customized learning experiences. Gates acknowledges the potential risks associated with AI, such as job displacement and the ethical implications of autonomous systems. However, he remains optimistic about the future. Gates's perspective is a call to action, urging us to embrace the possibilities of AI while navigating its challenges with wisdom and foresight. The AI Doctor is in examining the potential of AI in healthcare. Healthcare is a field ripe for disruption by AI. The sheer volume of medical data generated daily is staggering, and humans alone cannot effectively process this information. AI, with its ability to analyze vast datasets and identify patterns, offers a powerful solution. AI algorithms can now diagnose diseases like cancer from medical images, with an accuracy that rivals and in some cases surpasses that of human doctors. Imagine a world where AI analyzes your medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle choices to create a personalized health profile. This profile could predict your risk of developing certain diseases years in advance, allowing for early intervention and preventive measures. AI-powered virtual assistants could provide 24/7 medical advice, answer questions, and triage patients, freeing up human doctors to focus on complex cases that require empathy, critical thinking, and nuanced decision-making. While the potential benefits are undeniable, AI in healthcare is not without its limitations. A doctor's ability to listen with empathy, understand a patient's fears and concerns, and build a trusting relationship is an essential aspect of healing that AI cannot replicate. While AI holds immense promise for revolutionizing healthcare, it is crucial to remember that technology is a tool. Section 4. The AI Tutor. Revolutionizing education or reinventing the wheel. The education sector is also undergoing a technological transformation, with AI playing an increasingly prominent role. AI-powered tutoring systems are already being used to personalize learning experiences, provide real-time feedback, and make education more accessible to students worldwide. Imagine a classroom where AI tutors adapt to each student's learning style. Some students learn best through visual aids, while others thrive in interactive environments. AI can tailor lessons to individual needs, providing customized instruction and support. This personalized approach can help students learn at their own pace, identify areas where they need additional help, and ultimately achieve better outcomes. Furthermore, AI tutors can provide students with instant feedback on their work, identifying errors and suggesting areas for improvement. However, AI's role in education is not without its critics. Teachers do more than simply impart knowledge. The social-emotional learning that occurs in the classroom, the bonds that are formed between teachers and students, and the development of critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills are all aspects of education that AI cannot replicate. Section 5. Will robots steal our jobs? Navigating the uncertain terrain of AI and employment. The fear that robots will steal our jobs is a recurring theme in discussions about AI. While this fear is understandable, it's essential to approach this issue with a nuanced perspective. It's true that AI-powered automation has the potential to displace workers in certain job sectors. Repetitive manual tasks in manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are particularly susceptible to automation. However, it's crucial to remember that technological advancements have always disrupted labor markets. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the displacement of countless agricultural workers, but also created new opportunities in factories and other industries. The key takeaway is that while AI will undoubtedly lead to job displacement in some areas, it will also create new opportunities in others. The challenge lies in adapting to these changes and preparing the workforce for the jobs of the future. Section 6. A future forged in collaboration, humans and AI as partners in progress. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human workers, a more constructive approach is to envision a future where humans and AI collaborate. In this scenario, AI augments human capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. Imagine a surgeon using AI-powered robotic arms to perform minimally invasive surgery with enhanced precision and control, or an architect collaborating with an AI design assistant to create more sustainable and innovative buildings. These examples illustrate how humans and AI can work together to achieve outcomes that were previously unimaginable. We must learn to view AI not as a replacement for human intelligence but as a powerful tool that can amplify our abilities and help us solve complex problems. This requires a shift in our education and training systems to equip people with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered world. Section 7. Beyond the hype. A call for measured optimism in the age of AI. The rapid advancements in AI have generated a mixture of excitement and apprehension. While it's essential to acknowledge the potential risks associated with this technology, it's crucial to approach this new era with a sense of measured optimism. AI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and energy. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can address some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a brighter future for all. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's crucial to engage in open and informed dialogue about the ethical implications of AI and to establish clear guidelines for its development and deployment. We must ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity and that its benefits are shared equitably. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and responsibility, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a world that is more just, equitable, and prosperous for all.